Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another short video. Today I will show you 4 ways of taking screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy A55. So here is the beautiful device. So I will start with the easy way, which is using your palm. Yes, slide your palm on your screen and this gesture will take screenshot. Here you can see. It's really easy. Let's try again and boom. Just slide your palm from one edge of your phone. It will even work from right to left also. Now let's jump to the second way. In the second way, we will use the edge panel. You will see it on the right side. It will be a white bar. Just drag it out and then go to settings of the edge panel. And here in the settings, check the smart select. Now go back. After that, slide the edge panel to the left. And here you will see the different options like rectangle, oval and more. I will go with the rectangle. And the best part of this method is you can select the specific area of which you want to take screenshot. Select the area and then tap done to take screenshot. You can even select the whole screen also like this. And then you need to tap done. After that, tap on save to store it in your gallery. So this was the second way. And for the third way, we will use the assistant menu. For that, we will go to settings and turn it on first. So go to settings. Then scroll down to almost end. And here you will see the accessibility. Tap on it. And now here you need to go to interaction and the dexterity option. Now here turn on the assistant menu. Next allow it. And that's it. Here you will see the assistant menu bubble. Let's go to home. And you can drag it and place anywhere you want. And the best part is that it loses its opacity when not in the use. Here you can see. So it will not disturb you while using your phone. Now to take screenshot, just tap on this bubble. And here in the assistant menu, you will see the option of screenshot. Just tap on it. And boom, here is your screenshot. Let's try again. And it's really easy. Now I will show you the last fourth way of taking screenshot. For that you will need to place your finger on the volume down button and your thumb on the power button. Yeah, finger on the volume down and thumb on the power button. And then you need to press them together at the same time. And here is the screenshot. Note, the most important part is that you just need to give quick press and then leave the buttons. Don't hold them. Here you can see. Just give quick press and that's it. So these were the 4 ways of taking screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy A55. If you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Take care. Signing off.